Welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make this hair cream, effective hair cream. You see how beautiful it is? Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for it. This is my stearic acid, this is my lanolin, this is my perfume, and this is my paraffin wax. And these are my essential oils in here. So I'm going to add my paraffin oil. This is my paraffin oil. First of all, add your paraffin oil. Then after that, I'll add my petroleum gel. So this is me adding my petroleum gel. And I'll allow it to melt a little bit before adding paraffin wax. So if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So I will allow it to melt to a bit. I will allow it to melt to a bit. So I'm checking it back. So it's melting. So after that, I'll add in my paraffin wax. This is paraffin wax. The measurements of these ingredients is in the description space. So for more inquiries and for training, you can chat me on WhatsApp. We do so many things in this platform. Every DIY, anything you can do for yourself, we do it here. So this is my stearic acid. My paraffin wax has melted to a bit. So I'll add in my stearic acid. This stearic acid only dissolves in oil. This stearic acid helps the hair to be soft. It prevents dandruff. That's why I call this effective hair cream. Then another one is lanolin. This also helps the hair to be soft. It also moisturizes the hair. It also helps in preventing dandruff. It prevents hair breakage. So these are the work of these two ingredients, this stearic acid and this lanolin. So I'll melt everything. You see our paraffin wax has melted. See, it has melted. Everything is melted. Then I'll add in my essential oils. In here is olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil. You can decide to add some oils that are good for hair, like tea oil, argan oil, and so many more oil. Anyone you can afford. You can even add cacao oil, the one that grows hair. This is me adding my perfume. I use strawberry perfume for this. While making soap, you use a fruity perfume. For your hair food. You don't just use any one you see. Use fruity one that smells nice, that smells like fruit. I use strawberry for this. And this is me adding my mentol. So I added little quantity. To this. So after the mentol has dissolved, then I'll add in my color. I use oil soluble color. This is oil soluble color. I added little quantity. You add little quantity to it. You don't add all the color. Add little quantity. It's optional. You can decide to leave your hair like this, but because this training is for some persons that want to sell and for some people that want to use, you can add. So now we want to package it. This is the container I bought in the chemical shop. So I'm going to use it to package it. You see how beautiful this is? You see it? I'll package it. For some people that want to venture into it, you can buy the materials and make it and selling to people, or you start using it. It's not everything you buy in the market. We produce everything in this channel. Anything you can do with your hands, we produce it. So subscribe for more videos to be coming. I have a videos where I make soap. The next video that I'm going to drop after this one will be liquid soap, how to make liquid soap. So all the things is free. So this is the end product. You see how beautiful, no breakage, everything is beautiful, everything is in right proportion. The hair food is giving. The hair food is fooding. You see how beautiful it is. So like and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming your way. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This is effective hair cream that will help your hair to grow. So now I'll package it, I'll cover it. So if you have a banner, poster, sticker, you can paste on it and start selling. You can even put it in big container and start selling to people. Hairdressers, business has started. So this 2024 we are going to enter, we want to be useful. Thanks for watching.